me. Oh, oh, a chip! Nom, 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 nom. I got you now! I got the cookie and the Cheeto. I gotta find Junior Bowser now. Now, where did he go?
Hi! I'm ready from hibernation. Now I'm gonna get me some honey. And what? What? What the heck? There's a dinosaur on my tree, and I want my honey. So like, what the heck? There's a dinosaur on my tree. Like, I'm gonna go get my tree. I'm gonna kick him. And I'm gonna tell him this is my tree because this is my tree. Achoo, achoo. Wake up! Ah! What the? Where the? Do you have to dad? Dude. Ah. Well, you were in my tree, and well, I'm trying to get my honey. So yeah. Dude, I don't care about your honey, okay? I don't give a about this forest, okay? I'm Smokey Bear. You should be listening to me. Prove it. Only you could prevent wildfires. I don't give a about wildfires. Well, you should give a about wildfires because it's good for you. Yeah. I don't care. Well, get out of here. No. Why don't you make me? I will. Ah! Ah! Oh, God! God! Oh! Ah, what the? Why did he do that for no reason? I hate dirtiness. Berries. Berries. Whoa. Whoa. I'm a monkey. What the? Hey, stop covering me, you. All right, whatever. Okay.
Quiet. You.
Okay. Whatever. What do you want? Did they berries that I see? Is that a monkey with a rainbow? Is that a gnome pooping out a rainbow? Kirby, did you ever have that mustache? It looks so hot. Kirby, when did you get those new jeans? And Kirby, when did you get and where did you get these? I need a hospital. Well, he's in pretty bad shape, but these Cheetos should help him. He's gonna be alright? Yes, I just told you he's in pretty good shape. He'll be alright though. It might take him like months or weeks to recover. Maybe even years. But don't worry, he's still here. And as long as the Cheetos are there, as long as I'm not a real doctor.
And wildfires are caused by humans. Only you can prevent wildfires.